Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss how to use economic calendar for forex trading. Well, this is very important for the trader, that's why I have made a step-by-step guide to using an economic calendar effectively. Right, so the first thing that comes, you have to select a reputable economic calendar from a trusted financial website or trading platforms, right? So popular I have listed here, you can just go to the investing.com forex factory trading economics, right? So let me show you. You can just go here and you can just click on your economic calendar and you will find here the best economic calendar and every details regarding it, right? And once you hear, the second thing is that you need to familiarize yourself with the layout of the calendar. Most economic calendar display the date and time of the event, the country affected, the time of event, the important levels low, medium, high, and the actual forecast and previous value of economic indicators, right? As you can see here, so you have to just you can use your id to use here and you can select here. For example, this is holidays and the earnings and the dividends, whatever the splits that happen in a company in a particular stock exchange, you can just figure out from here. You have to also set your time zones, right? Because every country has a different time zones to avoid the confusion of the timing of the events. Use filters to narrow down the event to those most relevant to your trading strategy, right? You can filter by currency, important levels or types of economic indicators, example, GDP, unemployment rates, central bank meetings, right? Here you can just familiar here, these are the filters. So if you just click here, for example, I just want to know about China, right? So I will select here China country here, right? By the way, you can also search by using China symbol, I mean company symbol and name, right? And once you have selected a country, right, this is of course you have to select the other country too. It is sectors. For example, I just want to go for the tech, right? And here the important, I just want to select the good one, which is around 3 stars, and I will click on apply. Now here, once you have applied, it will show you all the results, right? So right now there is no result, and I just want to look for the 30 days. In the last 30 days, the micro sectors, gold miners have this kind of split, that is 1 is to 10, and the another one is that 1 is to 5. So in this way you can just use your filters. Now here, once you have applied each and everything, click on individual events to get more details. Read the event description, of course. If you just click on, for example, I just want to know more details about this, right? So I will just go here. It will be redirect to mainvesting.com, which is the microsectors of gold miners years, and I can check all the historical data, that how much the price fluctuated, right? Each and everything. Now here, depending upon your research and everything, just you can trade your plans, right? I mean, you can just plan your trades. So based on economic events and the expected impact, just plan your trades. Decide if you want to trade before, during, or after the event. Consider potential volatility and adjust your risk management strategies. In the same way, you can just monitor your events in real time, evaluate market reactions, adjust your strategy. And these are the very important things a trader need to do. Of course, the last one is a trading journal. Well, by following these steps, you can effectively use an economic calendar to enhance your forex trading strategy and make more informed trading decisions. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.